Welcome to the updated IMF eLibrary website, where changes to the homepage layout, navigation, search, and publication display will improve your overall experience. We plan to spend the next few minutes highlighting many of the new features and walking you through a general navigation of the site. The global navigation includes About, Help, FAQs, Contact Us, and the login for your personalized My eLibrary space. The main navigation now allows visitors to browse through the new releases or browse through publications by country, topic, publication series, and author. In the center of the homepage, you will still see our featured publications. Click on the cover image to display additional information on each publication. The What's News section has been moved up so it is easier to see the announcements. Additionally, you will find our recommended reading list is being featured on the homepage as an essential reading section. You can click the arrow buttons to scroll through the items. If you click on the cover image or the title, you will go directly to the appropriate publication detail page. There is also a link to the full recommended reading page. To the right of the Essential Reading section is a multimedia area where we will feature various content, such as videos, blogs, and more. To the right, you are able to explore publications by country or region by clicking on the map. When you click on the map, you will be brought to the Explore page. You can see the various regions by hovering over the map. If we select Sub-Saharan Africa, the countries are displayed below the map. Select a country, for example, Ethiopia. This will bring you to a search results page for the selected country, displaying over 2,000 results. Let's go back to the home page to review the additional search options. The quick search has been moved to the center and now has the option to search all, catalog, title, and author. All is the default option and searches full text. The catalog option searches the metadata about the publications. Think title, author, abstract, keywords. The title option and author option are targeted searches if you know exactly what you are looking for. Note, the author option includes both author and editor. Let's review the main navigation a little closer. New Releases is a brand new link on the primary navigation. Click here to browse all publications, starting with the most recently added publications. Clicking on the countries navigation will allow you to select a region, for example, Europe, or as you hover over each region, you will see the various countries associated with each region. You can also click on the map image to be directed to the Map Explorer page described earlier. By selecting a region and a country, such as Belarus, you will execute a quick search and be presented with all publications associated with that country. Now, if we click on the Topics menu option, you will see the main topics. If you hover over the topics, you will see the associated subtopics. For example, if you hover over Medical and select Health Policy, you will see that the search results for this subtopic yields over 30 results. Let's now review publication series. The IMF organizes its publications into three main collections: books and analytical papers, IMF statistics, and periodicals and reports. You can use this navigation option to browse a specific series. For example, click on Publication Series and hover over IMF Statistics. You can then select International Financial Statistics to be presented with search results displaying 90 publications. If we now click on the Authors tab, you will see a new area of the IMF eLibrary. This is an alpha ribbon that is defaulted to last names that begin with the letter A. Clicking on any letter will result in an indexed list of the authors with last names beginning with the selected letter. The For Librarians tab is dedicated to librarians and has information on help resources, MARC records, and more. The Subscription tab has information about current subscribers and our free subscription policy. The My Content and My Searches tab allows you to view saved content and searches if you are signed into your personalized eLibrary. If you would like the ability to save searches and content, set up alerts, and create custom books, you'll want to take advantage of the My eLibrary feature. You can sign up for this feature at the top of the site. It will require an email address and password. These credentials will allow you to access My eLibrary anytime. If you are not signed in and want to save an item, click Sign In to save searches and you will be prompted to log in or to register. We have already registered, so we will sign in with our user ID and password. Once logged into your account, the navigation changes to display a welcome and the My eLibrary link. Click on My eLibrary and you will see your most recent searches and content. Here, you can select chapters and articles to compile a custom book. A step-by-step guide can be found here for additional assistance. Let's go up to the top of the page and search the terms economic revival. We'll leave the default all so that full text and metadata are both searched. Click Go and you will be presented with more than 1,200 search results. From this page, you will be able to print the results, save the results, share the results through a social networking site, change the text size, change the number of items displayed, select a Sort By option, or select a different page of search results. Let's now focus back on the search results presented and examine how we can refine these results. There are several options available, all positioned on the left rail of the page under Narrow Your Choices. These options apply only to the collection of search results currently displayed. The first option is to search within results. Here, you can add additional keywords and press Go. The existing results will be filtered to display only those publications with your entered keywords. The second option shows content within your subscription. Clicking the checkbox will limit the search results to just those publications for which you are subscribed. Let's expand all of the other ways you can refine the search results. First will be content type. You have the option to filter search results at the book and journal level or at the chapter and article level. We want to filter so only chapters and articles are being displayed. Uncheck the box next to books and journals and click Go. The search results now display only chapters and articles. Other filters along the left rail allow you to narrow your search in different ways. You will be able to filter to countries, regions, topics, subtopics, and languages. Each selection will allow you to further refine your search results until you have found the specific publication you are looking to find. The last item in the left rail is the date filter. The date refinement has been updated, so you no longer have to enter a month and year. Instead, you select a year date range using the drop-down where only applicable years will be available to select. Then, click Update. Let's go back to the home page. Click on the World Economic Outlook publication. On this page, you will see the table of contents, cover image, and options to download the PDF, EPUB, MOBI, or buy the print copy. Let's click on Chapter 1. Notice that if you scroll through the chapter, the heading remains at the top of the page. This allows you to select sections, figures, or jump to the references within that chapter. Take a look at Table 1.1. All tables have a special expand feature where you can see the data more clearly and also copy and paste the information seamlessly into a spreadsheet like Excel. Above the chapter title, you'll see that you can print, save, cite, email, or share the chapter. Let's click on Cite. You will see the eLibrary supports several formats that you can export in the citation manager that meets your needs. Finally, let's go back to the home page and scroll up to the top of the page. You will find helpful information on the Help and FAQs pages. Let's click on the Contact Us link. Please do not hesitate to contact the IMF with your questions and suggestions and let us know what you think of the new site. Thank you for viewing this video and for using the IMF's new and improved eLibrary.